On 24th March 2020, the Government of India ordered an initial nationwide lockdown for 21 days as a preventive measure against the COVID-19 pandemic. The unexpected and sudden nature of the lockdown disrupted the lives of millions of people across the country. Many started long journeys to village homes on foot and cycle since interstate movement of vehicles was banned. Among the worst affected were migrant workers, daily wage earners and slum dwellers. In Mumbai, the country's commercial hub, thousands were pushed to desperation. With dwindling food stocks and a fall in income, it became a question of survival for many households. Police and social workers reported an explosive surge in domestic violence as rising stress levels, overnight unemployment of men, and substance dependency took a toll. To help tackle the crisis, a network of 40 NGOs across Mumbai moved into action. Known as the City Core Group or CCG, the coalition mobilized resources and created a shared pool. The CCG is a network of lawyers, social activists and academics. The CCG was designed and developed by the Commonwealth Human Rights Initiative, CHRI, an international human rights organization headquartered in India. Within days, the CCG managed to deliver ration kits to over 4,300 families. Food packets, sanitary napkins, sanitizers, and PPEs reached not less than 10,000 persons in the initial days, and those numbers continued to grow. We know that we are one of many in India doing this work. There are others with far greater resources and outreach, but we have documented this modest effort to show that ordinary people can collectively make an impact, and we hope that it may inspire others. CCG members also began counseling and guiding women facing domestic violence and provided help to senior citizens living alone.
लॉकडाउन के दौरान 26 से 30 तक केसेस आए डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस थे। हस्बैंड ने रात को 9 बजे बहुत मारपीट किया।
शुरू में लॉकडाउन हुआ, सब छुट्टी करके घर से घर में बैठे। जब से लॉकडाउन हुआ वही हालात और बिगड़ती ही जा रही है।
Team members took great risks with their own health on the front lines with limited funds and resources. 2 volunteers were infected, but only 1 recovered. CCG members have since reached over 9,500 families and 50,000 individuals with food and ration kits, provided nearly 40 people with medical assistance, distributed more than 3,000 masks and sanitary napkins, and assisted in over 55 cases of domestic and senior citizens abuse.
फैमिलीज के लिए करीब 900 लोगों के लिए हमने रेशन किट का बंदोबस्त किया हुआ है और करीब 3,000 सुबह और 3,000 शाम के ऐसे 6,000 फूड प्रिपेयर्ड मील का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन भी हमारे यहाँ से हो रहा है.
We also fund therapy for 7 individuals and have provided psychosocial legal aid to over 25 individuals during this time.
Despite limited resources, our network of 48 City Core Group members went out of their way to help the people of Mumbai. Their dedicated efforts at the risk of their own health and the health of their family members deserves a salute.
We can hope for an eventual end to the COVID-19 crisis, but today, many families remain in need of aid. The CCG network continues to provide support, but it needs your helping hands and care. For more details, get in touch with CHRI's Mumbai team.